Have a nice day, friends. Today we are going to discuss the point method of alternate coefficients from the chapter linear equation in two variables of section maths part 1. Here is one of the problem on a board. The first equation is 99x plus 101y is equal to 499, and the other equation is, that is second, 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Students, if you are going to observe the coefficients in both equations, you have the reading. Coefficient of x in equation 1 is 99, and in equation second 99 is the coefficient of y in equation second. Same thing about the coefficients values of y and x in equation 1 and second. So when you have to find the solution of such a type of equations, the method states once you have to add the equations and once you have to subtract the equations. That method is alternate coefficient. So once we have to add and once we have to subtract, I am going to add the equation 1 and 2 by adding equation 1 and 2. When we are adding, we have already written the equation 1 and 2 one below another, and we have, when we are going to adding the equations, we are considering the values of coefficients of x and values of coefficients of y. I am going to consider those values only. 99 plus 101 is equal to 200x plus 101 plus 99 is again 200. Variable remains same, that is y. And in case of constant terms, that is 499 plus 501, it gives you addition as 1000. I am going to simplify this step. That's why I have the equation 3. So by dividing both sides of this formed equation by 200, we get x plus y is equal to 5. The obtained equation is equation 3, and the equation 3 obtained dividing by 200. Dividing by 200 to both sides. This is the reason. Now once you have to add, gives you equation 3. Once you have to subtract, what happens? We will see. I am mentioning the equations given again. 499 as a 1, subtracting 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Subtracting equation second from 1. We know when we are subtracting, there is a change in sign conventions. We have positive 101x, it will be negative. Positive 99y, the term occurs negative. And positive 501 will be negative. And now we have to consider the change in sign conventions. So, the term occurs are 99x minus of 101x. So, we have to consider the change in sign conventions. 99 minus 101x. So, the subtraction will be minus 2x. I am mentioning term minus 2x. In case of variable y, the terms are 101y minus change in sign convention, that is 99y. 101 minus 99 gives you 2, y as it is. So you have plus 2y is equal to. In this case, about the constant terms, you have 499, that is plus minus 501. In this case, you have minus 2. I am going to subtract the smaller value from greater, and the sign is, we use the greater value sign. We are mentioning to the answer. So, we have the obtained term is minus 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 2 by 2, 1 minus 2. Here is the reason, by 1 minus 2. This is the operation we have done already. Now, I am simplifying. I am going to divide by 2 to both sides of the equation. So, I have minus x plus y is equal to minus 1, and I am mentioning that step as equation 4. And equation 4 occurs dividing by 2. So, reason I am mentioning dividing by 2. This is the reason. Dividing by 2, dividing by 200 here, I am dividing by 2 here. So, once I am adding, equation 3 is get. Once I am going to subtract, equation 4 is obtained. So, the method states, I have to consider now equation 3 and 4 to have the solution of given equations. I am mentioning equation 3, x plus y is equal to 5 as a 3. Equation 4 is minus x plus y is equal to minus 1 as a 4. So, as per method I have mentioned already equation 3 and 4 one below another. I have to solve this equation 3 and 4. When we know that already, when we are solving such a type of equations, we have to eliminate one of the variable to get the value of remaining variable. Observe the equation 3 and 4. You have, in case of equation 3, x is positive x. In case of equation 4, term x is negative. Here is plus, here is minus. So, when I am going to equate equation 3 and 4, the opposite terms will get cancelled. So, by adding equation 3 and equation 4. When I am going to add, the opposite terms will get cancelled. So, we have y, 2y, y plus y, that is 2y. 5 minus 1 gives you result as a 4. So, you have y is equal to 2. By simplifying, you get the value y is equal to 2. I am going to bracket the value, obtain value y as a 2. This is my one of the solution of equation. We know that substituting y is equal to 2 in any one of these, you get the value of remaining variable, that is remaining variable is x. So, I am going to consider equation 3. Put y is equal to 2 in equation 3. Any equation we can use to get value of x. Therefore, I have mentioned equation 3. So, you have to write the equation 3. X plus y is equal to 5 as a 3. Now, substitute y as a 2. So, when you are going to substitute the value of variable x as it is, here is y as a 2. So, you have to mention, replace variable y by 2 to get the next form. X plus 2 is equal to 5. Simplify the step to get the value of variable x. It will be 5 plus 2 to the right side. After transposition, it will be minus 2. That's why you get x is equal to 3 and you have the solution of other variable, that is x is equal to 3. So, I have to mention the answers of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 are solution of given equation. Friends, this is the method to have a solution of alternate coefficients. Once you have to add, gives you equation 3. Once you have to subtract, gives equation 4. Consider 3 and 4. Get value of one of the variable. Substitute that value in any one. You get the related value of other variable. Thank you, friends.